welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a photo logo reveal using Adobe After Effects. So before starting this tutorial, let's have a look what we will create today. This is the animation we're going to make in this video. Before starting this video, I'd like to invite you to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Now let's talk about the video. First, open your After Effects, and in here let's import our photos. So this is the photos I downloaded from Google, and I'm going to use all of this in this tutorial. And you can use your own photos. So double click here, then go to your folder where you saved your photo. And select the folder, then import folder, so it will import all of these four photos. So now let's create a new composition, and I'm going to rename it main and 1920 pixel by 1080 and duration 10 seconds. Hit OK. Now let's create another composition, and for this time let's rename it to photo frame and change the width 500 and height 500, then hit OK. Now from here select the rectangular tool and click here and select new solid, rename it to frame, hit OK. Now from here select the grids and draw a shape like me, and then select the frame, press Ctrl space or open your effect control panel, then search for fill and change its color to white or any color you want. Then from here invert it and turn off the grids. So this is our frame. Now you can close this and again create a new project and rename it to photo holder 01. We need 20 of them, or how much you want, it will depend on you, then hit OK. Now create another folder and rename it to photo holder. Drag this to this folder. Now drag this photo frame to the photo holder 1. So this is our frame. We need to drop our photo to here below the photo frame. We can lock this. Now select this photo holder 1 and press Ctrl D 19 type to create 20 of them, or it's depend on you how much you want. Now double click and open it, and then go to your photo folder and drag your photo to here. If the size doesn't match, then press S to the photo and increase its size. So we need to do this same thing with all of photo holder. So just double click and then drag the photo here. So I'm going to speed up video time to save your time. The photo import is finished. Now select all of the photo holders, close this, back to the main composition and drag them to here. Fit it to screen. Now go to around 3 seconds or 2 seconds and 20 frame. Then select all of this frame, press P to open position and create a keyframe here, and then back to the first frame. Then just randomly change this photo's positions and its size. You can select the randomly any photo, then change its size to something you want. Then back to this time, select all of them, press S to open scale, create keyframe to all of them, then back to the first frame, and then select a photo randomly and change its size. Okay, now let's see the preview. Then select all of this composition, then press U to open keyframes and select all of them. Then right click and keyframe assistant, then make it to as in. So now let's see the preview. So this is our animation right now. Now select all of them and recompose and rename it to photo comp. Then select move all attribute into the new composition, then hit OK. Now let's input our logo here. I'm going to use this logo. You can use your own logo. Then drag the logo to the timeline and press S to adjust its size and place it to above all of these frames. Okay, now select this, press right click on your mouse, then select recompose and rename it to logo holder so that you can change the logo anytime. Select move all attribute into the new composition, then hit OK. Now go to around 2 seconds and 20 frame. Select the logo holder, press Alt and right bracket key to cut it here, and the photo comp, press Alt and left bracket key to cut this time. Now select now turn off this photo logo holder this time and select this, press S to open scale and change its size to 90, then back to around 5 or 6 frame. Go to here, then create a keyframe here, back to the last frame and make it 100%. Now this make both of them 3D and select them, press R to open rotation, create a keyframe on the X rotation then forward something like here and make this rotation to 1. Adjust its size. Okay, now go to the middle of this two keyframe and then drag this to here. And drag this to here. Now let's see the preview. Now select this logo holder, press S to open scale, create a keyframe here, back to the something like here and make it 90. So this is our animation. Now we can add a background to here. To add a background, just right click here, go to new solid and then rename it to BG for background, then drag this to below all of this composition, then go to effect and preset control, search for gradient wrap, and you can change its color to something like blue or any color you want. Then you can just drag this to something like here, or this is like this, fit it to the screen. Now let's see the preview. So this is our animation. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.